Naturalistas. This video is for all of you out there who are thinking about or curious about getting into the world of essential oils. Hello friends, my name is Shauna and I am a leader in the Young Living essential oil family. When I had my children, started searching for information and knowledge and answers for empowering and nurturing my family's wellness. And I started with Young Living essential oils over 5 years ago, and I have found them to be the most significant part of that empowering the wellness of my family, my children and my family. And I think that these days, a lot of people, a lot of you are searching for ways to build wellness and empower not just getting better, but staying well. So I want to talk a little bit about what I think is the most amazing thing that you can do for the wellness of your family, and that is through the use of Young Living essential oils and supplements. Young Living is a company like no other. We are a real family, a support system around the world, and our oils come from our own farms that are grown around the world on every continent, where we make sure the quality is there from the seed that goes into the ground, the quality of the soil, the harvesting. I just saw an adorable video recently of our lavender farm in Utah where sheep were set loose to weed the farm, the lavender farm, which is absolutely amazing. And I've been there. I've planted in the ground there at that farm and seen the lavender in bloom and seen the distillery. It's just absolutely amazing, the quality and the process and the trust that goes into these products, these oils and the supplements that have so changed our lives. So I just wanted to share a little bit about that, about my heart, about the heart of the Young Living family, and about what I think is the absolute best way to jump into a journey to better wellness. And that is with the Premium Starter Kit. And the Premium Starter Kit comes with a diffuser, either this diffuser or this diffuser, and this amazing box of goodness. So this is the Premium Starter Kit. It's a beautiful box. It comes with, this is a picture of one of our lavender farms, and there is some information on the oils that come in the kit and Young Living lifestyle there. So it starts out with some pretty good information, and then there is these oils right here, peppermint, which is good for digestion and pain and things like that. Lemon is a citrus oil, so it's high in limonene, which is a really good antioxidant. You can look that up. The Thieves Blend, which is our most famous blend, and it's infused into many of our products. The Thieves Blend is really good for immune support. I'm actually going to pop this out here. This is actually really fun. This pops out and unfolds and becomes a stand that you can actually stand up to. So then we've got the Citrus Fresh. Citrus Fresh is really amazing, like in your water, to help you drink more water. Again, it's a blend of citrus oils, so high in limonene, things like that. It's also really good for getting sticky things off, like labels and stuff. Digize is a digestive blend, kind of self-explanatory, super good for anything with your GI system. This one is Raven, and Raven is one of the most powerful respiratory blends on the planet, so kind of really good for these days too. One of my I can't live without them oils is this blend Valor. I was super excited when they actually added this blend to the starter kit because I can't live without Valor. It's a emotional support blend by name, Valor, and it is very good for that, but is also very good for any sort of tension in your body too. So like I tend to get tension headaches right up through here, and it's really good for that, especially paired with this next one, Panaway. And Panaway is got mint and some other oils in it, so very good for helping melt away those aches and pains. Then lavender, the Swiss Army knife of oils, lavender. And you see the picture of our lavender farm there. If in doubt, use lavender. It's powerful, gentle, all of the above. And then frankincense. And frankincense is kind of, if lavender is the Swiss Army knife, frankincense is the Mac Daddy of essential oils. Extremely powerful. There's a reason they gave it to Jesus when he was a baby. It's very good for immune support, skin health. It's just good for everything. So there are these oils here, and then that's not actually all. So you get the oils, the diffuser, these oils, and then actually second compartment in our box here, and we've got a whole bunch more goodies. So we have actually 2 more oils right here. And these are 2 more of my can't live without favorite oils. So Peace and Calming, this is another like emotional support blend, especially good for children when they throw temper tantrums and things like that. Can be really good for helping get down to bedtime in the diffuser, or right now everybody's schooling at home and the struggles. And then my Mom blend. This one never leaves my purse or my pocket. Stress away. It is absolutely delicious smelling, and I actually like to put it in my water too. It's my Mom blend. I can't live without my stress away. Just inhaling it just helps me recenter so that I can keep momming on with my 4 kids. And then a couple more goodies that we have in here. Also super convenient in this time of worry about the spread of germs. This is the Thieves hand sanitizer. This has a high enough level of alcohol. We can actually say it does kill the 99.9% of germs and bacteria, just like any of the toxic things on the market. And then also the Thieves spray. Same thing with those oils in that Thieves blend. Really good for immune support, kills not fun stuff, and completely safe. So you don't have to worry about your children having to call poison control if they get into it, which we've heard a lot of lately. And then the last thing in the starter kit is actually 2 of these pouches of this Ning Chai Red. And this is a wolfberry and other fruit supplement drink. You can take 1 to 2 ounces a day. The pouches are actually 2 ounces. And it is super, super, super high in antioxidants. Like if I showed you the breakdown of how much fruit and veggies you have to eat to get what's in this, you would be absolutely astonished. Super good for immune support, kind of a life-changing sort of thing. So that is everything that is in the premium starter kit, which is an absolutely incredible value. It covers everything that will cover all categories of needs in a general household. So you kind of have that good basis of foundation start here with the that is what is that, 12 oils and a diffuser and cleaning products, sanitizing products in there. So it's such a amazing starting place, and the value is absolutely incredible. So if anybody wants any more information on how to get started with that, I will have all the information. You can contact me anytime. I am available all the time to answer questions or to help in any way. If you want to know more, we will also do a class, an in-depth class on all of these oils. I do videos several times a week on different oils and tips, how to use them, and how to boost up the wellness for you and your family. So if you like that, make sure you like, subscribe so you get notified when we do more videos, and let me help you on your journey of becoming a naturalista. I'll catch you next time.